In these last 3 videos, we're going to look at connections between improper fractions and mixed numbers. So thus far, we've been dealing with proper fractions and improper fractions. So an example of a proper fraction is 3/4 or 3/4. And an example of an improper fraction would be, say, 7/4. So remember, the definition of an improper fraction is it's a fraction whose numerator is greater than or equal to its denominator. A proper fraction will be a number between 0 and less than 1, where the numerator is less than the denominator. So now we're going to see, when we have improper fractions, we've seen in the last few videos that they're bigger than 1. So we're going to write them as a combination of a whole number part plus a proper fraction. So that's what a mixed number is. It's mixed because we have the whole number part and a proper fraction, and we actually omit the plus sign in between, although it's implied. So I think an example will go a long way. So let's start with this area model. Represent 7/5 with a rectangle as a unit, then rewrite it as a mixed number. And again, in this case, a single rectangle is a unit. So I'm going to break these each into fifths by making 4 cuts. Okay, now notice I did a bad job on that one. And again, I don't like doing that, but I do like that you all get to see that you shouldn't expect to get that always right on the first time. So each one of these units are broken into 5 pieces, and we have 7 copies of 1/5. So there's 3 copies, 4 copies, 5 copies, 6 copies, 7 copies. Okay. Now notice this entire rectangle is shaded, and since this represents a unit, this is 1, and we can think of this as 1 whole plus, now what part of this unit is shaded? Well, 2 copies of 1/5 or 2/5. So as a mixed number, we write this 1 and then the 2/5, and we say this as 1 and 2/5. Okay, so remember when we learned about word names before, we don't use the word and except for fractional parts and decimals, which we'll learn about later. So this word and means addition, and it means we're combining these 2 pieces. So this mixed number is really shorthand for saying 1 plus 2/5.